Creating a website on Kajabi is simple and tailored for entrepreneurs looking to build a professional online presence. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Kajabi. Go to Kajabi and sign into your account. Access the website builder. From your dashboard, navigate to website in the left-hand menu. Select design to access the theme editor. Choose a theme. Kajabi offers pre-designed themes optimized for conversions. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and click apply to start customizing. Customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor to modify the layout, fonts, colors, and images. Edit sections like the homepage, about page, and contact page by adding your branding, text, and visuals. Add new pages as needed by clicking Add Page, selecting a template, and tailoring it to your needs. Set up navigation. Under Settings, configure your site's navigation menu to include links to key pages like products, courses, or blogs. Add SEO and launch. Optimize metadata for better search engine visibility. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your website live.